Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Circle. In this video, we will learn how to calculate age in MS Excel. So here I have made two columns, that is date of birth and age. In the first column, we will be writing date of birth, and in the second column, we will write formula. The function is dated if. We will use dated if method to write the formula to calculate the age. The first argument is the date of birth. The second argument is the date on which we are calculating the age. So today function is what? It gives you the current date. And then the third argument is that in what format you want. So y means year. And then we concatenate it and we write a string value years. Again we combine it and then we will use the dated if method again. And what we write here again, same arguments we will take. The first argument is date of birth, the second argument is today function, and the third argument here we will be writing for month. So for month we will be writing ym, and then after and symbol, and to display the string value months, so we'll write here months again and symbol. The third time we will write for number of days. So dated if, the first argument is the date of birth, and the second argument is today function, and the third argument is md for the days, and this last days will be displayed. So here we click on yes, and what do you find that the age is displayed.